In Texas, there is a huge problem with mosquitoes.
My wife and I bought a new home, and it had a covered patio, partially covered, and it was a mosquito haven. I mean, you go like that, you'd hit, it was terrible.
So in the summers, it's just so many mosquitoes. The backyard was completely unable to be used because the bugs were just incessant.
So we are a boarding facility and we take care of lots of dogs, and mosquitoes are responsible for dogs contracting heartworms.
It started in 2014. Chuck came to me with this idea, and my son and I are very allergic to mosquitoes. And I said, well, install the system at the house and see how this works. And he did, and I was like, wow, this is amazing, I love it.
Hello, my name is Chuck Kuhn, and I am one of the owners and the certified applicator for LoCo Mosquito. LoCo Mosquito is a pest control business that at the end of the day, our mission is to fight mosquitoes, to kill them dead, stop them in their tracks.
Being super skeptical and always questioning about the chemicals because of who I am about gardening, they assured me that it wasn't going to hurt the things that meant the most to me. So I said, let's give it a shot, because these flies were just unbelievable, and mosquitoes, and I was spending a fortune on putting out off for every customer of mine.
We get a lot of is what is our impact with our beneficial insects, and beneficial insects would be your pollinators like bees, butterflies, and what we do is with our automated systems, we actually use a UV sensitive product. So after our automated system goes through a mist cycle, the UV rays will actually burn up that residual. And so when a bee or a butterfly lands on a flower to pollinate, there's no harmful residue left over. So we're not going to impact our beneficial insects. So the systems that we sell to our residential customers and also commercial customers, what makes these systems great and different than our competitors would be right here in our control panel. This is actually an app-based control panel, so you actually have full communication and connectivity with your smartphone. So you can tell the system when to go off and on. You can also have a feature called a zone feature. So we can turn off certain sections of the mist nozzles. So if you're chilling and grilling on your patio, having a great time, and you just didn't want the system to go off while you're out there, you can certainly turn off that particular zone just with a swipe on your smartphone.
What sets us apart from others is that we're not a franchise. We're locally owned and operated. We give a major attention to detail.
Prior to the virus, we did a lot of volunteering with local organizations, giving our time back into the community.
Fire Station 13 is where it really started. And it was just such an honor to be a part of it and get to know them personally. And they're such a family.
I've recommended it to several of my clients, and I would recommend it to everyone who lives in Houston.
My name's Kristen Powell. I own the Barking Pig, and I'm a LoCo Mosquito customer.
I'm Peter Garcia. I own El Mason Restaurant, and I'm a LoCo Mosquito fan.